guys, ayibo nangu phela uMayeni yazi iqalile ngicabanga ukuthi uyadlala and stuff, but ngiyabona oyibo abantu nabo beyabe serious, abantu nabo benyuela amaphaphu. Shuthi uMayeni akamfuni ngempela umabani loyana uMabiyela. So for those who don't know, uMayeni noMusamsele were fighting on one of the recent episodes of the show. Bebangani babanga ukuthi uthi uMayeni, I do not recognize uMabiyela as Mpumelelo's second wife or as Mpumelelo's wife. And I was so shocked ukuthi oyibo into enjani ke leyo, which is why I decided to create this video. Now in this video I would like us to talk about that and more. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like the video. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press that subscribe button. And you can also show support by scoring down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get into it. Now ngibukile phela nayi episode angazi ukuthi isukephi, engikwazi ukuthi mina bengizibukele ifoni yami, and then ngokuya ayi umsindo wayinyuka ngizwe sengizwa ngoMayeni wathi ukuthi bebemthathela wena lo mfazi uthalale nawe. Wena was like shuthi serious, angariwinda kancane siyo ukuthi into besukephi. Apparently uMusamsele wathele nguMayeni ukuthi i-wrong lento yakho yokuthi ungam-approve or ungam-recognize unkosikazi wakwakho. And uMayeni wathi yena oyibo ngangilaphi mina nihamba nolobola loyo. Apparently uMusamsele nengane yakho Mpumelelo basangana boyi-2. They went behind Mayeni's back, bahamba belobola abani uMabiyela. And apparently that was just content for them. Manje uMayeni uyacasuka ukuthi how is it possible ukuthi niyasuka nina la niyahamba nolobola lapha. Mina ngitshelanga lutho ngayo yonke le nto leyo, khamba sengibona kuma TV ukuthi hayi bona senilobolile. So as a result I don't recognize lo mfazi loyo mina. Wacacisa uMayeni wakhala inyembezi. But even Mabiyela's family nabo they should know ukuthi yena akazi lutho ngalawo malobolo that were paid, akazi lutho ngokosikazi ka ubalengane yakhe kuMpumelelo. So yena nje uMayeni akazi lutho, ucela bangamfaka kuyo yonke le nto leyo. And then she also added that she only accepted ubani lo Tirelo no Vuyokazi because ingane zika Tirelo nengane zika Vuyokazi were staying with her lapha emsini wakhe. So obviously if kuthi uhlala nengane, uma wayo ingane is always allowed to come and visit nomini nazizobona ingane yakhe. But even those visiting hours or those visiting days, they have conditions, because one of the conditions is that uma ngabe uzofika ovela usuku ufike nje kwakhe uyareport aqala ukuthi hey kuzoza lapho Mayeni. So guys, I was so shocked ukuthi how is this even possible. Bengicabanga ukuthi uMpumelelo noma wakhe are that close, bengazi ukuthi uMpumelelo uyakwazi ukuthi avela suka ahambe olobola without even telling his own mom. Kuningi ngempela wenzala lapha Mseleko. Guys, comment there on the comment section ngitshela ukuthi ngicabangani about this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, ngicela uqhubezele that like button, subscribe the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.